In 2020, we received a letter in pandemic time, actually. The council demolishing the houses where we live in, and we have to move. Everywhere is shut, no agency much opening, everything like by phone or something. And I shocked because it's a pandemic, and all of a sudden they sent us a letter, they said you have to move. So we had actually a very hard time, me and Masood, in our relationship on that time. During that 1.5 years, we don't know where we're going. And he don't know the answer. He didn't know what to answer me to make me feel comfortable. I'm studying, I think, on that time as well. And it was very hard time. Then after a few months, Welsh and West phoned us. Oh, me and my husband, we jumped and hugged each other with the happiness because they say to us, you're moving somewhere not far from there. So, because we used to with the area as well, with Asda shops, with the park, GP, and nursery. On that time, my daughter, she's in nursery. So we were very happy. So this house for me is very good luck for me because I passed my theory test and then I did my practical test. I passed first time. I said, oh, because I'm happy. When I'm happy, I can do things and I do things good. Even my kids, Yusuf is 8, he's doing very well in the school. The teachers came and said to me, she said to me, Yusuf, he's changed a lot. I said, we moved to a new house, that's why. She said, he's very happy. It was more like, last few months, he don't talk much. He was a little bit sad. He was, now he making more friends. He's happy, he's doing well in the school. So I explained to her, I said, we had a little bit hard time and now we moved to a new house. And Anina as well, she's 6, she's doing very good in the school. The home is very important for everybody because the home, you live in a house. You've got to do everything in the house. And when you go outside, as well, you know where we're gonna go back, to a nice house or not, you have a home or not. So when I go to college and come back, I'm very happy because when I'm in college, I know I'm gonna go back to my house. You know, that has affected a lot my life and Masood's life as well. Welsh and West, it made for me and for my family's life very good things. Stability and comfortable and happiness actually. It's very important things for a life.